up, everybody? Concept behind 420 is you're going to learn about cannabis for 20 minutes. That one was about cultivation. This one is going to be about the business of cannabis. Tonight we're going to hear a 20-minute presentation from Rosanna St. John, aka the Cannabis Bookkeeper. Then we're going to have the founders of the New York State Cannabis Connect, Tiffany and Devine. We also have the Cannabis in the house and the founder of the Cannabis, Mallory. I also have Corinne Devine in the house. She is the director of R&D and labs for Bristol Extract. They are a licensed processor. My good buddy Ben Stallman, he's with Weed Maps. Josh Canfield, he's actually one of the first licensed card numbers in New York State. I want to thank Trichomes quick. Trichomes has been in business for about a little over a year. We've been working together for a year. They obviously have a really classy, awesome establishment. Great people, great products, really good environment. Thanks again for everybody for coming. As you can see, we got food getting passed out. We're gonna light up some joints. We got some drinks. We're gonna put the music on. I encourage everybody to talk to as many people as you can. That being said, let's smoke and have some good photos.